Hello, hello, and welcome to hashtag World Cardmaking Day 2025. We've got Marta, Monika, PaperMona, and Katarina taking part in this collaboration. And today I'm going to show you how to create this really cool and gorgeous WV fancy fold without any cutting dice. And I'm going to show you step by step how to create it using free design papers created by Marta Dębicka from Drop of Sunshine. And I left the link to her collection in the description down below. First, we're going to create the card base. So I've got 7 by 10 inches cream card. I'm going to score it at 2.5, 5 inches, and 7.5 of an inch. Now I will need a second panel exactly in the same color. I mean cream color. And the measurement is 7 by 5.5 of an inch. And I'm going to score it at 5 inches. And when this is ready, now we can create the last panel, which is 4 inches by 8 inches. And I'm going to score it at 4 inches all the way down. Now it is time to fold and burnish all those score lines. In the description down below, you can find the link to Marta's beautiful free design papers and elements to fussy cut. But also, I left the information about our hashtag World Cardmaking Day 2025. So, for the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th of October, we're going to have absolutely amazing projects for you using our free collection so you can get them especially for that World Card Making Day 2025. And I really hope you'll feel inspired and create your beautiful makes using our amazing collections. And they are all for free. All the information is in the description down below because every day we change the timings of our video. So if you'd like to check it out, all the information is below the video. So now as you can see, I've got all the panels scored, folded and burnished. Now I'm going to attach the left hand side panel to our main panel, which in the end is going to be 5 by 7 inches. I'm using my liquid glue, one and only, because it is a book binding glue. And then I will have a time to maneuver the elements if I make a mistake. Have you ever created WV Fancy Fold? If you have, what color combo did you use? And this collection, designed by Marta Dębicka from Drop of Sunshine, is perfect for the autumn season. It is very subtle, but amazing as well. So first I will need a panel measuring 4.75 by 6.75 of an inch, and that will go inside of my card. So it's going to be super pretty. What do you think about this unusual color combo for autumn? Please let me know in the comments down below. And now when this is ready, I will need 4 panels to decorate the left hand side. And it is 2.25 by 6.75 of an inch. As you can see, I'm going to repeat this pattern here. So in her collection, Marta created 2 design papers and 1 paper with beautiful elements to fussy cut and also sentiments as well. If you haven't seen my video from yesterday, I'm going to leave the link at the end of this video, so you can check it out which fancy fold I created. So when this is ready, then we can add that V element inside. And do you remember our 4 by 4 inches panel? Because that is the one I'm going to use. First, I need to decorate it, and I'm going to use 3.75 by 3.75 of an inch, the design paper created by Marta. How gorgeous it is! When this is ready, then we can attach it inside of the card and embellish it the way you want, which I absolutely love, especially with all the elements to fussy cut from Marta's collection. As you can see, I decided to put that element towards the top, and I think that gives really cool variation because we can see the watering can in the background, but it looks like something is hidden. And that's what I really wanted to achieve here. I'm using my liquid glue. When this is set, then I can open the card and actually put more glue on the other side. So this way we're going to have lots of dimension when you open the card. And what's really good, it goes flat in the envelope, but when it stands on a flat surface, it is perfect and gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So now it will be time to decorate it. I put double-sided foam adhesive on that reef element for extra dimension. And if you've never ever created that WV fancy fold, I really hope you'll feel inspired and create your own version. With the sentiment, I also use some double-sided foam adhesive. I'm going to peel off the backing and use few drops of liquid glue. And if you'd like to take part in our challenge for World Cardmaking Day 2025, all you have to do is to click on the hashtag and follow all our videos. And if you're new to this amazing challenge, make sure you subscribe to our channels because we've got plenty of inspiration coming your way very soon. Now it is time to add a few embellishments inside of the card, and I think that would really makes this card very special. If you agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. And at this point, I thought I absolutely love all the elements you can see here, but something is missing at the back. So I'm also going to decorate it as well. And then we're going to have some space for the message as well. So now I'm going to create the panel slightly smaller and then the white panel as well. So here I'm not going to give you measurements because this is the leftover. I had really cool idea to use all the elements from your beautiful collections. Now I'm going to add those leaves for extra interest and we can assemble the elements together. Super cool, right? And what do you think about that cream card for a card base? Do you like it? Would you like to give it a go? I really, really hope you will. So now the card is completed. If you want, you can add some gems or a little bit of sparkle. And please let me know what do you think about these gorgeous colors for the autumn theme WV Fancy Fold. And don't forget to check all our amazing videos, including Marta, Drop of Sunshine, Monika from PaperMona, and Katarina from Create with Katarina. And I really, really hope to see you tomorrow for another amazing video for hashtag World Card Making Day 2025. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and see you tomorrow. Happy crafting!